Hello students. So today we are going to draw histological diagram of thick skin. Then what are the identification points? The thick skin consists of outer epidermis, which is nothing but the stratified squamous epithelium with the thick keratin layer, and the inner dermis, which is nothing but this connective tissue along with the sweat glands. Okay. What is another identification features? There is no hair follicles or the sebaceous gland in the thick skin. Okay. Right now we are going to draw the epidermis. This epidermis having these 5 layers. Okay. So first layer is the stratum basale, or you may call it stratum germinatum. Okay. Which is made up of this columnar cell. Then another is stratum spinosum layer. It is also called as this prickle cell layer. You are now able to visualize it is made up of this polyhedral cell. Okay, this is the polyhedral cell are joined by means of this desmosomes. Then another one is stratum granulosum. Okay, which is made up of this 3 to 4 layer of these flat cells. Then above the stratum granulosum there is a stratum lucidum and a stratum corneum, which is made up of this keratin. This is the stratum lucidum and the stratum corneum layer. There are the several cells in the epidermis. There is keratinocytes, melanocytes, Merkel cell, and the Langerhans cells. Now below the epidermis there is a dermis, and here are the sweat gland. This dermis consists of this, one is reticular dermis and another is papillary dermis. Now you can able to visualize this dermal papillae. Papillary dermis is superficial, okay, and it contains the loose connective tissue, and the reticular dermis is made up of the dense connective tissue. Now we are going to draw this nucleus of the all the epithelial cells. The another feature of this thick skin is there is the absence of hair follicle, sebaceous gland, and the erector pallidum muscles. These are the sweat glands which are present. These are these numerous small capillaries or blood vessels. So let's make the diagram more beautiful. These are the bundle of the collagen fibers along with the connective tissue. Now let's label it. This is the stratum basal layer, then the another stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum, stratum lucidum, and the stratum corneum. Okay. These are, this one is epidermal papillae. This is the dermal papillae. This is the sweat gland. Now we label it as thick skin. This is a slide of thick skin. Okay. So thank you.